at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey everyone, my name is Ebony, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this green and blue cut crease makeup look. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe. First, I'm going to apply the Avon Magix primer all over my face to prepare for foundation. Next, I'll be going in with Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation. This was my first time using a powder foundation, and I find that it's best applied with the beauty blender over a brush. Now I am taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Mahogany, and I'm going to apply it to my under eyes, nose, forehead, and chin, and also my cheekbones. When blending out my concealer, I like to use circular or smoothing motions. Next, using Nicka K's Under the Sea palette, I'm going to apply this beautiful blue shade all over my lid, including my crease. Next, I'm applying this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm aware that it is 3 shades lighter than my complexion, but it's going to help the next color I apply really pop against that blue. Going in with this green shade next, I'm going to pack it on top of the concealer I've just applied. Now I'm going to blend these colors together, and since I couldn't find my blending brush, I decided to use my paintbrush instead. I also wanted to take a moment to apologize for the boxes you're seeing in my background. I'm still unpacking from my move, but here's where we are with the eyes. I'm still new to doing my brows, but I usually start by outlining them, then filling them in if necessary, and cleaning up my brow with some concealer and a detail brush. Looking back on this video, I wish I would have used my brush to blend in that concealer on my chin earlier, but we're moving on to mascara.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Have you ever gotten mascara on your makeup, or do your eyes tend to water when you're doing your makeup? Comment below. But next, I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl blush. I might have went a bit heavy on the blush. However, it still blended out very nicely. I absolutely love this blush. I am now putting on this gorgeous 90s brown lipstick from Black Radiance. And it is also the moment I realized I need to blend in that concealer on my chin. And here is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will subscribe and ring that notification bell. And also follow me on Instagram at MUA Eboni. See you in the next video.